Hi, my name is Lisa Cangelosi, and this mock lesson is for SPED 635, Section OQ. My student Maya is a 5-year-old female who is in a kindergarten classroom. She's been diagnosed with cerebral palsy. Although Maya is limited physically, she has the same cognitive ability as her peers. A lot of times, children that have cerebral palsy are mistaken as having a disability cognitively, but Maya does not in this case. It is apparent to all, though, or seems apparent, that she has a cognitive disability because of her speech impairment and her frustration levels. Teachers are trying to work hard with her to use tactile activities during academics so that she's able to work on her fine and gross motor skills. She has involuntary movements that occur frequently, and she also gets seizures. She's on medication for the seizures. Now, sometimes her seizures seem like she's just daydreaming or she's spacing out, but these are in reality minor seizures that are occurring with her. It does look as though her parents are struggling with having her in an ICT classroom. They feel as though students will make fun of her, will not understand her disability, but her special education teacher feels as though it is necessary for her to be integrated because she is capable academically, and through the class they will get the students to understand what kind of a person Maya is, the different tools that Maya uses, and introduce it to them so that they're familiar with it and they can see it and they can kind of accept it. She's going to be in an ICT class that has 16 students, and she will have a one-on-one para with her all day, every day. In addition, she receives speech, OT, and PT. The goals that are going to be addressed in this lesson are that she will be able to cut using a scissor along a dotted line with minor assistance, and that she will also be able to count from 1 to 100 by use of multiples of 20. The skills that have been mastered beforehand are counting by 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s to 100. For Maya to be tested, she will not be tested formally like other students. She will be tested orally, so that she does not have to actually physically write down the numbers, so she does not get frustrated. And Maya will also be able to use interactive computer programs to practice skills taught in class. The I can statement of this lesson is I can count to 100 using multiples of 20. I will be using a smart board to demonstrate and to show visuals of counting by 20, along with a YouTube video on the board. And students will also be using construction paper to cut out squares that have multiples of 20 on them. They'll have to cut along the dotted lines and then paste them in order. To start out, I'm going to use bags of marshmallows that will have 20 marshmallows in each, and ask students who likes marshmallows to get their interest going, and from there I will count by 20s going from each table. And so Maya, today we're going to be counting from 1 to 100 using multiples of 20. Now, when we use multiples of 20, it's kind of like we're skipping around. So we're going to be wanting to find a fast way to get to 100. Therefore, we're going to count from 20 to 40 to 60 to 80 to 100. Now, can you repeat that? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Good job. Excellent. Now, we're going to be using this paper, and we're going to be cutting along the dotted lines to cut out our squares of multiples of 20. Can you read the numbers that are on these squares for me? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Very good. Now, together, let's use the scissor, and let's cut these squares out. Excellent job. Now we're going to put our fingers on the squares, and we're going to put them in order on the construction paper using glue. So you take the glue in your hands, put the glue on the back of the square, and let's take the number 20 first and glue it on. Excellent. I love the way that you were able to hold the glue the right way and then place it neatly on the paper. Now let's take 40. and 60, and 80, and 100. Excellent job, Maya. Give yourself a pat on the back. Very good. Now, can you read these numbers out loud to me, counting from 20 to 100? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Excellent job. You are doing an excellent job counting from 20 to 100. And I love how you articulated every single word that you said and you took your time to say them. Excellent job. Now, we're going to use flashcards to put them in order. So this is kind of like a game. So I'm going to shuffle them around. And then when you're ready, you're going to pick up the card and put it in order from smallest to largest, counting by 20s, just like we have done. Now here are the cards. Now let me see you put them in order. So grab the 20 first, and then the 40, the 60, the 80, and the 100. Excellent job. No, it's okay. It's okay that they're not perfectly lined up. The important thing is that you were able to pick them up on your own and place them in order. Excellent job. Very proud of you.